The way of preparing cappuccino is the same as with the espresso. We just need a bigger cup. Meanwhile, we are going to pour cold milk into the milk pitcher, approximately a half. We will be able to froth a nice and creamy milk foam thanks to the professional steam nozzle. Preheat the steam nozzle a little bit. Put it about 1 centimeter away from the tip of the milk and we can start frothing. We are continuously checking the temperature with our second hand. When the steam pitcher starts to burn a little bit, the temperature is ideal. It should be around 65 degrees Celsius. Perfect. Clean the steam nozzle with a wet cloth and blow it out to remove all the milk residue. Now the magic starts. If the milk is bubbly, pound the pitcher and then slightly swirl around the sides. And it is done.